Hi, I'm Adam Bosch. Make minimum $50 every day online with affiliate and CPA offers and email marketing and other programs. You ask, how do I do it? This course will show you how. In fact, I already crossed well over $100 a day with the strategy I show in this course. That's $100 a day, $700 a week, and $3,000 a month. I'll teach you how you can recreate what I do to finally start making money online. And I'll teach you how you can do it without a website. I even talk about how you can at least double the income if you have a website. I'll teach you the secrets how to get first page rankings in Google in a matter of weeks. First page rankings bring free traffic, means more affiliate and product sales. I show you 80 hungry buyer niches. All the hard work is done for you. Forget about it. All you have to do is deploy this strategy and start making sales. I show you how to get free quality, unique articles. Yet again, you don't have to do the hard work. And of course, much more. In essence, I show you how I make my money online, which is good money. You can use this strategy on Bluebill in ways. It works in different kind of monetization programs. Affiliate, CPA offers, product creation, e-commerce. So if you want to see how I make $50 a day and even more than that, and that's something you want to emulate, take this course and I'll see you inside the course area.